This is weird. This is the parking lot outside my apartment. 215 Oswego in James Bay. Look at this. I don't know if it's real or not. I've seen that truck before. It's a drone truck. Watch this. It's 2 in the morning. Is it just me or are there people in that parking lot? And then there's not. See along here? Kind of a white thingamajig? What the hell is that? I just seen something now. Look at the white light looking off of that truck. So obviously that vehicle's a part of it. Oh, that's a fucking look. See all this? The blue is a drone. So why is somebody doing that at 2 in the morning? None of it's there. Delete that shit. Hey. What's it all about? That's the car, the vehicle. It parks on Dallas Road. I've seen it many times. And it runs drones. So is that the gang stalkers? Right over there. Just don't get it, eh? I don't get it. Alright, but I'm going to call the police in the morning and see if they know what this is.